What's going on, Skyway viewers? This is Nyla, and today I'm here showing you a 1996 Chevy Impala. This thing is really in extremely nice condition, has been kept up very well for the age that it is. It's only got 77,000 miles on it, so definitely been lightly used. It's a really pretty dark red, kind of maroon color. It's kind of hard to see with the sun glaring. It's the time of the day where it doesn't hit just right, but you can see it there, and the paint is really nice. You can see the rims have no scuff marks or anything, so it's been driven really carefully, and the interior is beautiful. So whoever had this car, like I said, gently used it just took really good care of it. It is an 8-cylinder automatic. It's got the original stereo and AC and all that in there, and it works wonderfully. So it's got everything you need: power seats, power windows, really pretty leather. Just a great find with extremely low mileage. Can't beat that. All right, so we'll take a look at the engine bay, and then I'll take it for a spin. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, here I am inside the Impala. I just want to show you the AC blows super cold and super strong. Blowing freezing cold, actually. We got the radio here. Got the jams, everything's looking good. No dummy lights on. 77,957,000 miles. What an awesome find for this year, make, and model. It's definitely a peach. Took that dip in the road really nice. These cars are so comfortable. It's like driving a Cadillac. Super spacious. Everything in here is really clean. Even the plastic and all that. No scratches, no nothing. No burn holes. Just a pretty mint Impala. Give it some gas here. It's got some get up and go with that V8 in there, and it's just awesome. Really comfortable, dependable car that still has a ton of life left in it. So I will take it back and put it up on the lift and take a look at the underneath. So come and check us out, and thanks again for watching.